Madume ba gaetsho ke tseo gape tsa Bakgatla ba Kgafela re tlhomile ka mangole fa re tsweletse re ntse re lo amogela mme re ntse re le nosa ka nko lekgotleng la setšhaba barati le balatedi ba Pilanesberg TV. I am Jean Letsholo.
Helicopter is failing Bakgatla ba Kgafela, is failing Northwest. That is why we strongly believe that they are part of crime. They are part of crime because they are condoning unlawfulness. Copter office of Northwest is betraying Bakgatla, is betraying the Kgosana of Northwest. The Premier of Northwest is betraying Bakgatla, is betraying the Constitution of South Africa. It hurts a lot. It hurts. You are hating us, Mr. Kgosana. I remember when Kgosana met with you, I was present. You know me. He told you that since he came in South Africa, he met 5 premiers. You are the 6th premier. Gentlemen, you'll end up in jail. The wheels of justice may be turning slowly, but they are turning. They are turning. Bakgatla betso, Bakgatla ba Kgafela. Bana ba sefatana sa moruleng, morula o kutukgolo Bakgatla. Babina kgabo e marreta matala. Ke a le dumedisa Bakgatla. Ke le dumedisa ka pula. Bakgatla betso. Ke re mo lineng la Kgosikgolo Kgafela wa bobedi Sidibelo. I greet you all fellow citizens of Africa and across the world, across the globe. Today I want to share with you important information of facts and law with regard to Bakgatla ba Kgafela affairs. My name is Phalafala Maname. I am a Kgosana of Sanfontaine village, which falls under Bakgatla ba Kgafela jurisdiction. I was born and bred in Kgatleng. I was born in Josterman Hospital. So the information that I will be sharing with you is the information that I've acquired on my journey as a leader. I have traversed various platforms of leadership of Bakgatla ba Kgafela. In 2013, there were elections of the traditional councils, and they were the last elections in Northwest. When I became a traditional council member of Bakgatla ba Kgafela, therefore, statutorily, I was officially part of the leadership of Bakgatla ba Kgafela. Statutorily. Before then, around 2009, 2010. I was a leader also of the youth, BBKYO, Bakgatla Youth Organization. I was elected as a treasurer of BBKYO. At that time, the president of BBKYO was Pilanesberg, and I was his treasurer. So when I say the information that I'll share with you today is information that I've acquired on this journey of Bakgatla leadership, I mean it. I mean it. I have vast experience of what has been going on in Kgafela. I worked together with the former Kgosi Pilane. I worked together with Kgafela Pilane. I worked together with Rekobedi Pilane. I worked together with Marana Thale. I worked together with Mr. Mpotseole. I also worked together with Kgosi Ramono Pilane Lentswe. I worked together with the former administrator, Mr. Phineas Tsiye. I worked together with the late Ntatera Mpopeto. I also worked together with Kgosi Kgafela the second. So in my presentation today, as a leader of Bakgatla as Kgosana, I'll be sharing with you very important information which I would like you to listen by heart. I want my words to be received by heart, not by mind. The mind forgets, but not the heart. I'm all yours, Bakgatla. I love you. I truly do. I devote my time, my energy, and efforts for you, for the soul of Bakgatla. Through thick and thin, I am with you. Through thick and thin, I've been with you. Through thick and thin, I shall be with you forever and ever. Bakgatla, there's a narrative that has been portrayed by the media of South Africa and the government of South Africa. They say Kgafela are fighting over the seat of Kgosi. That is not true, Bakgatla. There is no Mkhatla who does not know that there's only one Kgosi of Bakgatla, and the Kgosi of Kgafela is hereditary. Our customs are clear on that particular aspect of Kgosi. It is also portrayed that there's a leadership dispute in Bakgatla Kgafela. It is partly true. It is partly true because of the uncles who were entrusted with the responsibilities of leadership, whom betrayed the royal family, who betrayed Bakgatla Kgafela, have been going to courts, wasting time, wasting money, wasting everything. All their actions boils down to waste. They waste. They are very, 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 very cruel. They are cruel. When I say they are cruel, I mean Kgosana Pilanesberg. Kgosana, you are cruel. You betrayed Kgosana. When I say they are cruel, I mean Kgosana Pilane. You are very cruel, Kgosana. And I'm not saying this belittling you or defaming you. I'm saying this with a broken heart. I'm saying this knowing that somehow you might listen to this statement and see me. I'm heartbroken. When I say they are cruel, I mean Kgosana. I mean Nyalala, the former Kosi Nyalala Pilane. Right, so you are cruel. You disappointed me. Much as you may feel that I disappoint you, you are hating me, Nyalala. We had a relationship. I had a relationship with you, Nyalala Pilane. It's not a secret. And I have no intentions of telling that which is not true. But your disrespect to Bohosi, Bakgatla, makes me say every word that I always say. I learned that you are suffering from delusions of grandeur. You are the first person whom I learned that is suffering from delusions of grandeur. You may go and Google the words. You'll see that you fit, or your actions boils down to that, nothing else. But what hurts most is your betrayal to Kgafela. What kind of human does that to his king? You have become Kgafela's destiny pirates. You are destiny pirates of Bakgatla. Kgafela are a great nation. And what hurts most is that you are Bakgatla. It hurts. The commercial crimes that you are perfecting and that have made you earn the status of mafia, they will come to an end. That I promise you. You will end up in jail. Gentlemen, you'll end up in jail. The wheels of justice may be turning slowly, but they are turning. They are turning. They will catch up with you sooner or later. I am a star seed. You are destiny pirates. Just to share a bit about myself. In 2001, I inherited bongaka ba setso from bontatemoholo, from my great grandfathers, and that's how we met with many of Bakgatla. It is through that field of trade. So, to date, I have more than 20 years of experience in the trade. And I don't have fear when I say everything that I say, because I know that my God is protecting me. I know that. So watch out when you plan against my life. You must watch out. You must watch out. You must be very careful. I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you what you know. I'm telling you what you know. So, let me turn back to the information that I said I will share with you. The true status quo of Bakgatla Kgafela, the real problem of Bakgatla Kgafela, is the commercial crimes that are being done by the Murule Mafia, who are the only beneficiaries. They are the only beneficiaries from all the business transactions. The only beneficiaries are the people who are calling themselves traditional council, which the traditional council term has ended long time ago. The traditional council was gazetted in 2015, and we came into office in 2015 November. So you can count 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. The term was over. So, on what grounds are you saying you are still the traditional council? You are saying that because of the Kgafela, actually. The Kgafela is saying that, but the law does not say that. Kgafela is not the law. There's law. And Kgafela is failing Bakgatla Kgafela, is failing Northwest. That is why we strongly believe that they are part of crime. They are part of crime because they are condoning unlawfulness. Kgafela office of Northwest is betraying Bakgatla, is betraying the Kgosi of Northwest. The Premier of Northwest is betraying Bakgatla, is betraying the Constitution of South Africa. It hurts a lot. It hurts. You are hating us, Mr. Kgosana. I remember when Kgosana met with you, I was present. You know me. He told you that since he came in South Africa, he met 5 premiers. You are the 6th premier. Kgosana met Metandimudisi. He told Metandimudisi about these real problems of commercial crimes. in Kgafela. Kgosana met Resupra Mahumapelo. He told Resupra Mahumapelo about these commercial crimes. Kgosana met Rejob Mokoro. He told him about these commercial crimes. Kgosana met Rebushi Bushimapi. He told him about the same. He also met you, Re Mokhosi. But what did you do? What kind of a leader are you? Is it because of maybe Murling is financing you with our money unlawfully so? Is it because maybe you gained that seat of being a premier, becoming a premier, because of you were at time before we became a premier, you were a fundraiser of ANC. You were one of the committee members or heading the committee of fundraising, and maybe that's where you met Renyalala. And maybe he's been funding you with our money while we are suffering, we are struggling. Our children are living in poverty, whilst we are rich as Bakgatla. But you are depriving us our wealth. You are depriving Kgafela the second his right to rule Morafe wa gagwe. Why are you doing that? What kind of a person are you? How do you sleep? How do you sleep at night, knowing that Kgafela is struggling, Maname is struggling, Bakgatla, they are being impoverished by your actions? Isn't that tantamount to evilness? Are you evil? Aren't you destiny pirates? Why are you doing that? Why? What makes you do that? Rainyalala, why are you doing this to us? I'm asking you this, knowing you, and you know me. Why are you doing this to us, Rainyalala? Ramona, why are you doing this to us? Why? Why are you doing this to Kgosana, your relative? Kagiso, Pilanesberg, why are you doing this to us? Why are you destroying the peace of Bakgatla? Why are you destroying the harmony? What makes you do such thing? Why? Why are you so cruel? Why are you impoverishing us? Why are you depriving us what belongs to us? Come on. Come on. You need to change. You are vibrating negatively. You've lost humanity. You've lost humanity. What you are doing is very inhuman, and you need to be told. You need to be reminded. What you are doing to us is very, very evil. To an extent that Kgosana lives northwest because of you. Why are you doing that? You know very well that you are not the proper and true leadership of Bakgatla Kgafela. You know that very well. Come on. Come on. We had enough. We had enough. Bakgatla Kgafela, most of Bakgatla actually, they don't know about their shareholding in Syria TV. They are not benefiting anything. But we are the main shareholders there. We own 40% of Mojalaf. Syria TV is Mojalaf. And Syria TV received a lot of money from Bakgatla Kgafela's coffers. More than 100 million. It was actually set with our money. And at times our assets, Bakgatla's assets, including the balance sheet of Bakgatla, was used for the benefit of Mojalaf. What happened to that SAFA license deal? What happened to it? Syria TV, what happened to it? I am Bakgatla Kgafela. I am a shareholder there, and we need proper accountability about our money. You've received more than 100 million of Bakgatla Kgafela, and Bakgatla Kgafela does not know. You are saying Bakgatla Kgafela is owning via BBK-SIC. That is not the correct status quo. The correct status quo is that Bakgatla Kgafela tribe owns directly. We own that, not BBK-SIC. Not BBK-SIC. Bakgatla Kgafela owns that directly. There are no business opportunities of Bakgatla Kgafela available there. There is no single Bakgatla Kgafela, ordinary Bakgatla Kgafela, benefiting anything at Mojalaf. But we are the shareholders there, and we've invested a lot of money there. It's time to account now. You need to account. Multi-choice need to know the real status quo. Who are the owners of Mojalaf? The real owners. Some of you know you only own 5%, 15%, but the majority shareholders are Bakgatla Kgafela. There's not even one single show there emanating from Bakgatla Kgafela. You can't hear anything about Bakgatla Kgafela come Mojalaf. You can't. Even the offices are not in Katli. Bakgatla Kgafela does not even know the offices of Mojalaf. But their money is being used there. Bakgatla Kgafela, you can Google for yourself. Just Google Syria TV. Syria TV, Bakgatla Kgafela shareholding. Google it for yourself. You have smartphones. Bakgatla Kgafela, did you know that you are also having a shareholding at Rustenburg Platinum Mines? Did you know that? I think most of you don't know. But who knows? Nyalala knows. Ray Nyalala knows. Rekahiso knows. And they are the only beneficiaries with their traditional, the so-called traditional council. They are the only beneficiaries there. They are the only beneficiaries. Just Google for yourself. Rustenburg Platinum Mines Bakgatla Kgafela shareholding. And ask yourself, what is it that Bakgatla Kgafela are benefiting out of Rustenburg Platinum Mines? There are no available employment opportunities. There's no Mukhatla child working because he or she have been afforded an opportunity there at Rustenburg Platinum Mines. But we are shareholders there. We are shareholders at Rustenburg Platinum Mines. Bakgatla Kgafela, we are shareholders of Pilanesberg Platinum Mines. It does not mean that when the project of Pilanesberg Platinum Mines at Roderand or Modimo Mal is closed, it means the company is not existing or is not in operation. It is in operation. Who are Bakgatla Kgafela working there? There are no Bakgatla Kgafela working at PPM, Pilanesberg Platinum Mines. Even the offices are not here. We are the shareholders of Sianda Bakgatla. Shareholders of Sianda Bakgatla. But where are the dividends going? Who are accounting for that? What are we benefiting as Bakgatla Kgafela? Who are the real beneficiaries of those dividends? The real beneficiaries should be Bakgatla, the rest of Bakgatla Kgafela. Not few friends, not mafias. So Bakgatla Kgafela, when Kgosana is saying you are the richest poor, he mean it. He mean it. Ke mokgwa dikgaba. Ke kwa Kgosi dikgaba ke riana. Ke na le tshwanno eo. So, Bakgatla Kgafela, we need to unite. We need to unite and make sure that these mafias get out of those offices. They are doing that because they are still occupying the offices unlawfully so, with the help of the Premier, with the help of the ANC government. Why are you folding hands, doing nothing, whereas the status quo is so bad? Why should it be only me and Kgosana saying this? Why Bakgatla? South African government, justice delayed is justice denied. You are denying us justice. Mafikeng High Court is denying us justice. Mokwasi Police Station is denying us justice. The government of South Africa is really depriving Bakgatla Kgafela justice. We are doing all the efforts. We've reported to the public protector. We've reported crimes to the police stations. We've reported to the courts. We've gone everywhere. We've went to the commissions. What more? What more are we expected to do? What more can we do? Why are you doing this to us, ANC government? Ndata Ramaphosa, why are you doing this to us? Why? Why are you so cruel to us? You, Ndata Ramaphosa, you being money of Kgafela. In Setswana, you are an aunt to Kgafela because you married his aunt. The first lady of South Africa is an aunt to Kgafela. Repetirse Motsepe is an uncle to Kgafela. But Kgafela is a beggar. Kgafela is a beggar. The richest king being a beggar by design of the government of ANC. The richest tribe being turned to be beggars. Why are you doing this to us, ANC government? Government of National Unity, why are you doing this to us? Kgosana have reported to the Minister of Tourism. You met with Kgosana. He told you. But you are not helping. There's no help. So this is a clarion call. We need help. We are under siege. Can anybody please help Bakgatla get justice, please? Please. We are begging for justice. We are not asking for anything. We are only asking for justice. Can we be protected by the Constitution of South Africa? Please. We are citizens. We are citizens of South Africa. This will haunt you. It will haunt you, betrayers. There's so much hard-earned democracy of South Africa. The fruits are so bitter to us. We expected sweet fruits. And they start with justice. Can we please have justice? Mr. President, all the ministers of South Africa, kings and queens of South Africa, please help Bakgatla. Bakgatla are murdered, but there's no justice. Jomoke Rumi was murdered. He was killed, shot more than 15 times in front of his wife and in front of his mother. But there's no justice to date. Regilius Molefe was murdered also the same style, and they were all killed on the 15th of August, but different years. But the date is the same, 15th August. Can it be a coincidence? And both of them, they were working in the office of Kgosana. Who murdered Jomoke Rumi? Why isn't there justice for Jomoke Rumi? Are the investigating officers incompetent? If they are incompetent, why are they still there? If they are competent, then what is the status affairs of that case? Bakgatla, IFM company, together with the administrator, opened a case at Mohas police station back in 2022, February. And the Hawks said to IFM and the administrator, the arrest of Mr. Kgafela is imminent. But to date, there has never been any arrest. And it was with regard to the 99 million transaction from Bakgatla to Siaya TV. So the forensic investigators opened a case of fraud and theft against Mr. Kgafela. But there's nothing going on with that case. But they are in possession of a forensic report final forensic report from IFM. But Hawks is not arresting Kgafela Pilane. Why? Why is Kgafela Pilane untouchable? Having stolen that amount of money, according to the report, 99 million of Morath, of Bakgatla. And he's a free man, while Bakgatla are in poverty. Is that fair? Is that right? Is this the South Africa that portrayed very peaceful South Africa? There's justice in South Africa. No, we are oppressed. We are oppressed in our land. Our land is being expropriated without compensation way before this act. Way before this act. Corner to corner, we are in courts. Bakgatla Kgafela are in courts, corner to corner, seeking justice. What is the government doing? What is the government doing? Are there any oppositions anymore? Or there are no longer oppositions? Perhaps you are now opposing. You are not oppositions, you are opposing. Government of national unity. Where is unity? In Kgafela. There's no unity in Kgafela. There's no unity in South Africa. There can never be unity when there is no freedom. There's no freedom for us. There cannot be freedom when our assets are stolen from us. There cannot be freedom when we are under siege. There's no freedom. But as I said, that we are star seeds. We are star seeds. We shall prevail victorious. We are warriors. But this is a clarion call. Please help us. We are asking for international intervention. All the presidents, please help us. President Donald Trump, we see you are helping others. May you please help Bakgatla Kgafela. Please help Bakgatla Kgafela King, who was born in your country, Washington, D.C. We are under siege. Our king is under siege. King Kgafela the second. King Kgafela the second and his tribe are being betrayed, are being denied justice in South Africa. We are being subjected to nothing. May you please help Bakgatla Kgafela. We are asking for international intervention. King Charles, Your Royal Highness, this is a clarion call from Bakgatla Kgafela tribe based in South Africa. We are asking for your intervention. Our human rights are violated daily. We are being deprived of freedom. Our wealth is stolen from us. Our land is stolen from us. Please help us. Your Royal Highness, King Charles, this is a clarion call. I'm begging you, all the kings and queens, all the presidents of this world, please help Bakgatla Kgafela. President Dumaboko, may you please help Kgafela. I wonder, where is the Burkina Faso president, Ibrahim Traore? I so wish that he can hear this clarion call. so that he can intervene. We need his intervention. President Ibrahim Traore, you have our blessings. We are looking up to you. Maybe you can help us. We are under siege. Our king is under siege. King Kgafela the second. King Kgafela the second and his tribe are being betrayed, are being denied justice in South Africa. We are being subjected to nothing. Please help us. We are looking up to you. We are only asking for justice. Nothing else. Nothing else. We are not asking for anything unconstitutional. We are the subjects of this constitution, and we are protecting this constitution. Please help us. Bakgatla in Botswana and Bakgatla in South Africa are one thing, and we are being deprived of justice. Please help us. We are begging you. We are being subjected to beggars. That's why I'm begging, because we are beggars, because of the ANC government and the government of national unity. They've turned us into beggars. Even if they can hear what I'm saying now, I know that they will be laughing, because we are just laughing stocks to them. Please help us. All the kings and queens, all the presidents of this world, please help Bakgatla. I thank you.